So look at this question, children. Figure shows a block of mass 2m sliding on a block of mass m. Find the acceleration of each block. Okay, so here we can see that m will be going upside and 2m will be accelerating downside. Okay, so we will just find out the free body diagram of both the masses in the direction of acceleration. We know that this small m upside force is acting T, that is nothing but its tension, and downside force is the horizontal component mg sine theta. Okay, what about the next mass? Here also the tension same string only, so the tension is acting upside, and after that its downside component or parallel component is 2 mg sine theta. So from these two, we don't want to mind about cos theta and all because it is not falling down vertically. So that direction is not at all required. So we will just add these two equations. If you add equation here plus t and here minus t, it will cancel each other. Then we will get a mg sine theta is equal to 3ma. M and m can be cancelled, and sine theta already we know theta is equal to 30, so sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So we'll have g by 2 is equal to 3a, and g we will take it as 10. So g by 2 is 5 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 5 by 3 meter per second square. So out of this option, option 3 is the right answer. Thank you. I hope